28th at 11:17 p.m. And this is Forex trading analysis for Friday, April 29th, 2011. All right, the Euro Aussie dollar did not trigger before 9 a.m. It didn't trigger at all. This one is canceled. I'm only going to look at a couple of these tonight. The Euro has a reversal candle outside of the upper Keltner line after a nice run-up. So that is a valid reversal candle if the price chart will ever show up. Okay. Now, it's a valid reversal candle, but that doesn't mean it's definitely going to lead to a breakdown. It's just a nice-looking Japanese candlestick until it gets confirmation. So we're going to use the low of 47.67. So going with 47.66 as an entry and 48.83 as a stop. So it's better than 100 ticks on the stop. How the video will manage it is if it triggers after 20 ticks, we'll go to a 55 tick stop. After 40 ticks, we'll go to break even, and we'll look to take partials at 100 ticks, or if it's only one unit, look to trail stops there again. Look to take partials at 100 ticks and partials at 200 ticks. Let's see if it'll pull in here. A lot of people are looking for the euro to fall and the dollar to bounce. I think the famous saying, a watched dollar never bounces. Actually, there's no famous saying, but it's like, a watched clock never ticks or whatever it is. Well, that doesn't make sense. How about a watched pot never boils? How's that? Okay, all right. Anyway, I think a lot of people are watching for the dollar to bounce and the euro to pull in here. This is definitely a valid reversal candle, but it has to get confirmation. Okay, so watch that there. The Aussie dollar does not have a reversal candle here. I mean, I think this is going to pull in as well. This has been riding up this upper channel of the Keltner bands for a little bit here, but there's no actionable signal. So what I think has no bearing. Okay, there's no actionable signal here. Here's the yen. I think the yen is going to form a little base here, and then maybe it'll be quantifiable, looking for a trigger off of that. But right now there is no trigger. Here's the Swiss. Okay, now the Swiss is the opposite, not the exact opposite, but basically the opposite of the euro here. It's been riding down, and it closed again outside the lower Keltner, but on Thursday, the dollar Swiss actually had an inside candle. So this could be ready to bounce, but there's a 5:30 a.m. report that supposedly carries some influence there. So I'm going to let this one go here. We'll take a better look at this in next week's video, the Sunday night video for the coming Monday. All right, and here's the loonie. But don't see much here. Look at the pound. Pound had that nice bull flag, popped up out of the upper Keltner channel, and then formed a reversal candle here. I mean, the difference between this and the euro, of course, is this came from a base. The euro, has come from a steady uptrend here. So, I mean, the pound could also be watched for a potential entry, but I think if the euro triggers, I think that's going to be enough. There could be some volatility. Bernanke set to speak at 12:30. I mean, it is a Friday, so there may not be much going on, but I don't think watching the pound and the euro, even though I know they're not the same by any means, I still think watching the euro is enough, in my opinion. So that's it. Next update will be on Sunday evening, and we'll look at how Monday's session is setting up. Have a great trading day on Friday and a great weekend.